So this is the tree. I barely started putting the red spheres. I'm doing lines like that. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update once I have all the red ones on. Compramos estas. No había nada en la tienda. ¿Mande? Quítate, Maddie. ¿Eh? Quiero grabar acá. Estas son nuestras cosas navideñas. Tenemos luces. Estas son las que van afuera, pero este año no las vamos a poner. Aquí está nuestro aro de cebolla. No, nuestro aro de para afuera, para la puerta. Este sí lo vamos a poner, ¿no? Sí. Vamos a ir a colgar esto. A ver, Mali, a este para un lado. Esto es metal que nomás se pone allí y ya se queda. Así. Nomás que tenemos que arreglar el moño. ¿Cuándo? Ahorita. Hay que arreglar el moño So this is what I have so far. I'm continuing doing the lines. So these are the ones we got at Target. It was the only box left because we went and the Target was completely empty. And yeah, so our plan is to do red and white. I don't know, maybe a gold. I don't know. We'll see if it goes. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these on. This is what I have so far. I'm gonna need more spheres because it looks really empty. The tree is really big. Like you can't even see these little. These are cute, but you can't really see them. Kind of use those to fill them up so it won't look as empty. But yeah, I'll see what else I put in the tree to make it look fuller. This is the final product of the tree. Close up. This is a star. It's gonna go right there. Ahorita me va a cargar mi papá para que la ponga. Where do I see my reviews? Antes era aquí, pero ya no. My mom's making a peanut butter bread. It's a peanut butter bread. Delicious.